Okay, we're going to try to go through page 37 on Chapra where it uses Excel to set up a Visual Basic file. This first part will just be setting up the problem, and the next video will be actually when we set in the Visual Basic part. So following page 37, bye. Again, we'll put it up here, the parachutist problem. Here we're going to have the mass being 68.1 kilograms. The coefficient of friction, I think that is 12.5, and the change in time for when you do Euler's formula is going to be 0.1 seconds. Now, the thing that's nice here is that what you can do is just kind of copy this or hold this down and then go to formulas, and you can create from selection. So I'm going to create the names MCDT in the left column, and the right column will be the value. The nice thing about this is that if I type over here equals M, it's going to give me my 68.1, or over here I put equals CD, it's going to give me my 12.5. So that's very nice to have happen. So then we're going to have the time, and we're going to put the numerical result in meters per second of what's the velocity of this parachuting going down, and then we're going to have the analytic part, meters per second, even though we're going to do that first. So we're going to start off with 0 and 2, and over here we're going to enter in the formula. This is actually a solution to the problem. If you set up the differential equation and solve this, mass divided by the coefficient of termination of friction or something like that, 1 minus e to the CD divided by M times A8. Notice that it highlights that 0. And I need another closed parentheses. It gives me that part. So another nice thing about Excel, I can highlight those, pull this right one down, highlight this one. It'll copy this formula with the values in there, and I get my various values there. So this is kind of staying with the problem. Now we're going to talk about the Visual Basic program for the numerical amount, the velocity estimated by Euler's method from this. What you can do before we go on to the next video is go to File, check in your options, and then see the add-ins here, and make sure that the analysis 2-pack VBA is here. If it's down in the interactive, you can highlight it and then hit OK, and then it could be on the here. You might as well even add the solver in as well, but that should all be what we need. So we'll take the second video as we set up the Visual Basic part.